Hello guys, how are you? So today we are going to talk about the child lock on a Bosch washing machine Series 2. So sometimes you can accidentally activate the child lock by mistake. Then all of a sudden you start seeing a key on your screen like that. You see that flicking key. So guys, I'm gonna show you how to remove that flicking key on a Bosch washing machine. So you see that button named spin speed and ready in. You have to press those two buttons simultaneously, like for 3 to 4 seconds. Then you're gonna hear a beep sound. Then the key is gonna disappear. So it means you successfully deactivate the child lock. So now the other programs, they're gonna start working properly. So guys, yeah, that's how we do if you want to remove child lock.